Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lenore, Makeup by Leo here on YouTube. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for returning and continuing to support my channel. I truly appreciate you guys. Alright you guys, so I'm super excited for today's video. So a company called Doris reached out to me. They're a hair extension brand. They have all types of hair extensions for your every need, girl. And they reached out to me and asked me if I would like to review some of their hair extensions, try them out. So they did send me these. These are 100% human hair extensions. I'm excited to try these out. I'm gonna open them up with you here. My hair is already styled, so more than likely I will be styling these to fit the style of my hair. But we're gonna go ahead and open these up, girl. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, so inside the box you do get the pan flip, and it tells you how to apply the hair extensions. So this is pretty neat. It has every way to apply the extensions. It has the models on the back showing the different kind of tones and stuff that they have. So I think that this is really nice, really cool, and I'm excited to try these hair extensions out. It also comes with the clip, so one of these clips to maybe like clip your hair up and move the hair out of the way when you're installing your hair extensions. These are in the shade A1B. They come protected in a little net, which is really cool. And then they also sent these like extra little clips, so in case like one of these needs to be replaced, you have two extra ones, so that's really neat. Alright, so these are the hair extensions here. I'm so excited. I will be ironing them to fit the style that I have here. So this is the color, and I feel like it's a great color match. So I feel like they match pretty nice. So here's one of the wefts. Here's the next one. The next one. So you get two for like the side panels, which is really cool. So you get two of these, and then you get two of these, which is really good because they'll go back here. So one above the other, and then the base one. So 7-piece hair extension set. I'm excited to try these out. I did get the clip-ins just because, you know, these are going to be easier to put on and remove. Like if I want to, you know, take my extensions out, and all you do is clip them like that. So I'm excited. I'm going to go ahead and style them really quickly, and then we'll be right back to demonstrate me putting these hair extensions on. So I have my curler here, and what I'm going to do is just start curling this here. So I'm going to start out with this one and kind of just go section by section. And there you have it. It's curled, so I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest off, and then we will be on to install them. I'm going to start here and kind of like create like a little loop. So you're going to want to take your hair, kind of tease it a little. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take this size here, go ahead and take this one and do it at the very bottom. Okay, so that's the first one there. Now I'm going to go ahead and section the next part off. And I'm going to go just about an inch higher than the other. Okay, and then I'm going to take this size here, so it's a size up from this one back here. And we're going to go ahead and put this one here. Don't forget to tease the hair. So you're going to go in and tease the hair a bit at the root, just to make sure that the little clips are going to stay in place. That's the next one there. We're going to move to the next section. And then we're going to go with the same size for the next part. And then for my crown here, I'm going to use the biggest one. I'm going to part maybe like a good 2 inches from my ear. So about there, about 2 inches from my ear, I'll part all the way around. And then just clip this part up. And then we're going to go ahead and install the next section. And then again, make sure you're going and teasing a bit, so that way the clips have something to grip to and they don't just slide off. And then we're taking the biggest section, or the biggest piece, so far this is what it's looking like. Oh my gosh, you guys, I haven't had long hair in so long, but I am like obsessed, girl. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, I used to always have long hair, and then I don't know, I got addicted to cutting my hair really short. For these last two pieces, these will be for the front here. I usually, oh actually this is another piece. I could use this at the bottom. What I'm gonna do, usually I part my hair to the side, so I want to go maybe an inch underneath where I would part my hair, tease this area, install, and then flip it back over. So like right here. Tease just like that. Add the extension. Make sure it's a little bit further back so that way it's not seen in the front. And that's what that looks like. And then you can go on this side. Add your track, flip the hair over, and there you have it, girl. Girl, I haven't had a long hair in such a long time, and honestly I was already contemplating on getting some hair extensions because I just like the long look. I do have another piece that I can install at the very bottom just to give it some more fullness. I'm going to go ahead and give you another look from the back so that way you can see what it looks like from the back. But I'm like shook at how beautiful this looks. My hair looks gorgeous. Like, I love it. So this is what it looks like from the back. I think it looks... And this is the length. They come down like right above, right down to here. So these are the 16-inch extensions. If you're interested, I'll go ahead and leave a link down below along with a discount code so that way you guys can check out these hair extensions. But girl, oh my gosh, these are so stunning. Look at them. They look gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I have long hair. I haven't had long hair in such a long time. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video watching me install these hair extensions. They were extremely easy to install. Of course, if you want, you can always go to a salon and get them installed by a professional, but honestly they're super easy to install yourself. All you need is a mirror for you to be able to see the back of your head. I'm so in love with these hair extensions. I feel like they look so natural. They look like my hair. Oh my gosh, they look like my hair. Like, it looks so good. Girl, I'm like really feeling myself. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Everything that I used will be linked down in the description box. And I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.